friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with this Kellogg's corn flakes. So it's a maxi. I think maxi is used for the bigger size, I believe, and it's high in vitamin D. No artificial color or flavors has been added. The brand is from since 1906. That's really old brand, and it has 25 servings. It's written over here. So let's read something more. Yeah, all the ingredients like maize, sugar, barley, flavored salt, something like that has been added over here, and nutritional information also has been shown over here. Apart from that, it's a product of UK. It's clearly mentioned over here. How you have to use, it's written you have to add it in a bowl and add some cold milk as per your taste. You can even add the hot one also, and then it's ready to eat. So it's a healthy breakfast. Go and try it. So let's open it. The pack size is 750 gram, and here it comes. So I'm gonna open this one. Wow, it's a huge packet. It looks like this, and let's have it. Wow. So this is how it looks like. You just need to add some milk to it, and within 2 minutes it's ready to eat. It's very crispy, and proper flavor of corn is coming in it. Yum. I love it. So friends, go and try it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.